Senior counsel, I'm being advised that you had already consumed your time with the previous witness. Therefore, I'm being advised that you have 1 hour, 45 minutes to examine all your witnesses.
Mr. Speaker, sir, could I request then, for purposes of this witness, that I take 30 minutes and you designate a time for cross-examination so that I can be spared time for the next set of witnesses, please.
Very well. That's in order.
What time are you giving for cross-examination?
You've asked for 30 minutes?
Yes, for examination in chief. I think for cross-examination, they need about 10 minutes or less.
Speaker, sir, I wish to distance myself from the sentiments from the adversarial party. He had no instructions to enter my appearance. We seek an equivalent of 1 hour to deal with the culprit.
Mr. Speaker, sir, a moment ago, my colleague was told that the use of the word culprit is unparliamentary. I don't know why he's insisting on using that word, and I ask for your protection for my client.
Senior counsel, I think let's give you 30 minutes to examine your witness. Cross-examination, I think what has been precedence since the start of this hearing is that you will get 15 minutes. But once we get to the cross-examination, at that time we'll check what the time is and decide. So let us start with you, Senior Counsel, with your 30 minutes.
But Mr. Speaker, sir, my colleague, Mr. Ndegwa, has repeated the use of the word culprit against my client. I insist this time around that he apologizes.
Yes.
I don't know why my senior is having a misconception of a simple English word, because the word culprit simply means a person in Oxford Dictionary. I misdid, but I apologize. Apologies.
Have you apologized? Did I hear an apology at the end?
No, he hasn't.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir, I apologize for using the word culprit.
Thank you very much.
And I withdraw the same.
Okay. Senior Counsel.
I, Robert Onsari Monda, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Could you tell the Senate what you do for a living?
Mr. Speaker, I am the current Deputy Governor of the Kisii County Government.
And are you a Christian, and of what denomination, and a family man?
Mr. Speaker, I'm a Christian in the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Seventh-day worship on Saturdays, and I'm a church elder in the same church for a number of years now.
Family? You're a family man?
I am a family member with a wife, adult children, and several grandchildren, Mr. Speaker.
Now, you are aware of...
Sorry, I have, Mr. Speaker, served as a member of parliament in the Parliament of Kenya, the 10th Parliament, And Mr. Speaker, in the same parliament, I chaired the Health Committee, coming up with the Cancer Act and also several other acts that we amended and proposed. Mr. Speaker, I sat in the Committee of Agriculture, I sat in the Liaison Committee, and also in the House Business Committee.
Thank you. Now, you know why you are here before the Senate?
I am aware, Mr. Speaker.
Could you confirm that you are aware that the allegations against you are what you summarized at page 6, and which is what you pleaded not guilty when the charges were read to you at the start of this session yesterday? Paragraph 6 at page E1. Honorable members, it is in the Deputy Governor's bundle.
Mr. Speaker, I understand that I'm here on reasons of impeachment on the said.
Okay. No. So for the grounds set out in paragraph 6, isn't it?
Yes.
In addition to that, you confirm that you were also notified of other allegations against you, and those are allegations brought through a memorandum from one Mr. Benson Nyakaga, and that you've referred to at paragraph 52, page E9.
Mr. Speaker, yes.
And that was from public participation.
Yes.
And you've summarized those allegations